Geotechnical investigation services are essential for any construction project, especially in areas like Gurgaon Sector 23 in Delhi. With the rapid development and urbanization taking place, it is crucial to ensure the stability and safety of the structures being built. Geotechnical investigations involve studying the properties of soil and rocks beneath the surface to assess their suitability for construction. These investigations help engineers and architects make informed decisions about foundation design, slope stability, and other geotechnical aspects of the project. In Gurgaon Sector 23, where there is a significant amount of construction activity happening, geotechnical investigation services play a vital role in ensuring the structural integrity of buildings. The soil conditions in this area can vary greatly, with some areas having loose or weak soil, while others may have more stable and compact soil. By conducting geotechnical investigations, engineers can identify any potential issues that may arise during construction and take necessary measures to mitigate them. SCON Design is a renowned geotechnical investigation company that provides its services in Gurgaon Sector 23 and other parts of Delhi. They have a team of experienced geotechnical engineers who are well-versed in conducting site investigations, collecting soil samples, and analyzing them in the laboratory. SCON Design uses state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to ensure accurate and reliable results. Whether it is for residential, commercial, or industrial projects, SCON Design offers comprehensive geotechnical investigation services in Gurgaon Sector 23. They assess the soil properties, determine the bearing capacity of the soil, evaluate the groundwater conditions, and provide recommendations for foundation design. Any development project must have geotechnical investigation services, especially in places like Delhi's Gurgaon Sector 23. It is essential to guarantee the stability and safety of the structures being created given the rapid development and urbanization that is occurring. In order to determine if soil and rocks beneath the surface are suitable for use in construction, geotechnical studies examine their characteristics. These investigations aid engineers and architects in making defensible choices regarding slope stability, foundation design, and other geotechnical facets of the project. Geotechnical investigation services are essential for preserving the structural integrity of buildings in Gurgaon Sector 23, where there is a lot of construction activity going on. This region's soil characteristics might vary widely, with some regions having weak, loose soil and others possibly having more stable, compact soil. Engineers can identify any possible problems that might occur during construction and take the appropriate action to mitigate them by conducting geotechnical investigations. In Gurgaon Sector 23 and other areas of Delhi, SCON Design, a reputable geotechnical investigation business, offers its services. They have a group of qualified geotechnical engineers that are skilled at performing site analyses,